Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a restored 1965 Corvette Stingray Coupe with numbers matching 327 and a 4-speed manual. This one is painted in Nassau Blue metallic with black interior. We'll start at the rear here. There is no rear trunk, so we don't have it open. We'll start back here though. You can see that beautiful body line in the center there. It comes back and you can see the wraparound rear window. You can see the interior from the back. Coming back here, you can see the gas cap right in the center here. So we'll open that up, it flips up, and that's where you put your fuel. Coming back here, I'll show you the power antenna. It has the power antenna there. You can see the nice Corvette Stingray emblem there. As we walk back, you can see the iconic Corvette taillights that are circular, and we'll take a look underneath here. You can see it's got the rear tire there. Looks great underneath. This one has a disc brake conversion on all 4 wheels, so it's nice and safe. You can actually drive it. Here's your rear bumpers. The chrome looks great. Tail lights. We'll make our way to the wheels here. So we got the knockoff Corvette wheels. They look great with the spinners there. We have Coker classic tires. Tire size is a 205/75 R15, and they are radial tires to look like the original polyglass ones, or bias ply, with the yellow stripe. Here's your front wheel here, so that has the same size tire. And again, disc brakes right behind. Coming to the interior, we have the black door panels. They look great. There is just a little bit of a ripple here. Here's your window crank for your vent, and then we got your window crank for your window, the main window, door handle there, and then your door release, and then your lock here. Just show you the jambs here. They look great. And the door jambs here. Everything's painted nicely. The kick plate looks great. Good. Show you the dash on this side. It's got that beautiful Corvette dash from the 60s. Looks great. Here's your glove compartment. I'll open that up here. It has the upgraded MSD ignition there, as you can see, so it's nice and reliable. Here's your Corvette badge there. We got the carpeted floor mats, and all the carpet looks great on this car. Your seats itself, we have leather bucket seats. So let's scan here. You can see the condition looks great. No rips or tears. Looking good. Fold that back here. That folds nicely. And then you can see your trunk compartment here from the rear. And we have a compartment down here as well. We'll open that up there so you can see. Looks good there as well. I'll flip that up. Here's your rear window. And then here's your headliner. Looking good. Your visors. All right, go ahead, close this door now. Door's closed nicely, as you can hear. And we'll come back here and walk down. You can see the paint is beautiful on this car. We've already wet sanded and 5-stage polished this car, so it's good to go. The glass looks like it's in really good condition for its age, as well as all the trim and bright work. And you might see a little bit of markings along, but overall, really nice, presentable condition. Door handles look great. Down here, side pipes really make a difference on these 60s Corvettes. Sounds great, look great. Then we got the Corvette badge there. Make our way to the front. We have the flip-up headlights, so they look good up or down. Your front bumpers here. And then down below we have the turn signals. And we'll make our way to the engine bay now. There's the hood here at the back, and then here's your engine itself. So I'll just come down here. So it's a numbers matching 327 engine. It's paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, and this one is producing 365 horsepower, as you can see here, and it's got the correct valve covers, and you can see it's made to look just how it was. It's got the correct air cleaner cover there. Let's make our way to the other side here, so you can see the engine bay on this side here. It's got power brakes. We'll go ahead and close the hood here. And let's make our way to the front. I'll show you the paint on this. Love this body line right in the center here. We'll come up it here. Looking great. And then the paint, you can see it's just beautiful in this car. Just a beautiful color, Nassau Blue metallic. And then your wheels on this side here. I'll show you the wheel on this side here. Great. And then the door panel here. So we got the black door panels again. So the door lock, door release, handle, vent window, crank, and then you got your window crank here. It also has the mirror on this side, so single mirror. And again, you got a little bit of a ripple, but not bad. And you can see it looks great. I'll show you all the door jambs here. Rubbers look pretty good. And then jams on this side. Kick plate looks good. Very nice. The dash on this side here. Looks great. You got speaker grill right there. And then down here we got the, it's a 4-speed, so you got the clutch there as well. Carpeted floor mats. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here so you can see it looks just as good on the driver's side as the passenger side. Nice soft leather. That folds down. And you can see the storage compartment back here. All right, let's hop in this car. All right, I love this dash. You got all your gauges right in front of you here. Your light controls, you got your battery, your wipers, fuel, you got your speedometer. Mileage on this car is 17,976 miles. And this is obviously a true kilometers unknown because it's probably been rolled around. And then we have your RPM tach there. Down below we have a lighter, oil pressure, water temperature, and that's where your key goes. Down below here we have your parking brake here, your power antennas here. Over on this side, your headlight controls, and then we have your vents here. I'll show you the dash on this side here. So there's your speaker grill, it's got the clock here, and then your other knobs there for your temperature control. We have the AM FM sound system. Here's your 4-speed manual transmission. There's your shift pattern. Up here you got your ashtray. Good. And then down here is where your seat belts plug in. I'll show you the steering wheel here. It's got the wood simulated wheel, a nice 3-spoke design, really classic look here. I'll go ahead and close this door and let's start the car up. So it's a key, put the clutch in and turn it, fires right up. And make sure it's in neutral. And you can see the tach working great here. And we'll open the door now. That just opens like that. And when I open the door, you can hear the exhaust is right there. It's inside pipes. It sounds great in this car. It's loud, but not too loud. Let's give it a couple revs. Here, it has a really nice tone to it. Everybody hears you when you're coming down the road. And you really get the thumbs up. Let's walk to the front here. See how wonderful this car looks here. Just a great looking C2 generation. Listen to that exhaust at idle.